We have another example on the board. So first, let's find u and v. We said that the numerator is u and the denominator is my v. So I have u is equal x squared. Derivative of u prime is equal to x. V is equal 3 minus x squared. V prime is equal, so this is the derivative of the difference. So derivative of constant is equal 0 minus derivative of x squared is equal to 2x. So if v prime is equal negative 2x. Okay. So next we're supposed to apply the formula. So if y prime is equal v, my v is 3 minus x squared times u prime, which is equal to x, minus u, my u is x squared, times v prime, which is equal negative 2x. Everything over v squared. This is my v. 3 minus x squared to the second power. So let's organize the numerator. So I have y prime is equal, we can multiply it. I mean 2x by the parenthesis. So I have 2x times 3 is equal 6x. Negative x squared times 2x is negative 2x cubed. Negative x squared times negative 2x is positive 2x cubed over 3 minus x squared to the second power. This is equal. Negative 2x cubed and positive 2x cubed, they are going to cancel out each other. So I have 6x over 3 minus x squared to the second power. This is the solution to my problem.